The planet would still be Earth by name, but it would no longer be our home. Imagine stepping outside your door, and there is no sky, only an orange haze, thick with toxic clouds. The air burns in your lungs, if you could even breathe it. The pressure is crushing, the heat is suffocating, and the ground beneath your feet, it's not ground at all. It's lava, a roiling, molten surface stretching from horizon to horizon, glowing red and yellow, churning like a restless sea of fire. This is no science fiction nightmare. This is what Earth would look like if it became a lava world, like Venus. Venus is our twisted twin, similar in size, mass, and composition, but fundamentally alien. Its surface temperature, over 460 Kelvin C, 860 PUHEPS, hot enough to melt lead. Its atmosphere is suffocating soup of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid, and a pressure 90 times greater than Earth's, like being 900 meters underwater. And beneath all that, a tortured, volcanic surface, reshaped by oceans of lava over millions of years. So what if Earth shared that fate? What if through some cosmic accident, runaway greenhouse effect, solar catastrophe, or extreme volcanism, Earth transformed into a planet of fire and fumes? First, the oceans vanish. As temperatures soar past the boiling point of water, seas begin to vaporize. Evaporation accelerates. Clouds no longer bring rain. They become dense steam blankets, trapping more heat in a feedback loop that spirals out of control. Eventually, every lake, river, and ocean boils into the sky, forming a superheated atmospheric layer of water vapor until it too breaks apart under ultraviolet radiation. Hydrogen escapes into space. Oxygen reacts with surface rocks. The water is gone, forever. Then comes the lava. As the planet heats and the crust cracks, volcanoes erupt everywhere, not just along tectonic boundaries, but across entire continents. Magma floods the surface in vast plains, drowning valleys, cities, and mountains alike. Picture the Pacific Ocean replaced with a glowing basin of liquid fire. Europe, Africa, the Americas, all swallowed by a planet-wide ocean of molten rock. The ground is no longer stable. It moves. It pulses. New land rises and sinks in days. The Earth's surface is now a volatile, shifting hellscape, constantly reshaped by volcanic forces. And what of the atmosphere? The dense clouds that once nurtured life now become a death shroud. The greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and thick layers of ash trap every ounce of solar radiation. The sun's heat enters, but can't escape. Global temperatures soar. Instead of blue skies, the heavens glow a sickly yellow-orange. The atmosphere grows denser. Standing on the surface would feel like being crushed under the weight of a skyscraper. No animal can breathe it. No plant can photosynthesize through it. Life suffocates, and the consequences ripple across the solar system. With Earth now a lava world, its albedo, its reflectivity plummets. More sunlight is absorbed, fueling the inferno. The planet emits thermal radiation so intense, it distorts satellite sensors. The moon, still orbiting loyally, becomes scorched on one side, its surface coated with heat-blasted dust from Earth's volcanic ejections. Earth's magnetic field, disrupted by the heat and core turbulence, may weaken or collapse, exposing the planet to solar wind erosion. Without it, more atmosphere is stripped away, and Earth becomes even more like Venus. Now, imagine no internet, no electricity, no oxygen, no water, just heat, smoke, and silence. Human civilization, if any humans remain, would retreat underground or to orbit, staring down at a home they can no longer set foot on. Satellites would cook in low orbit. Space stations would be the only refuge. Earth would become a planetary warning, a smoldering reminder of what happens when a world tips out of balance. Because this nightmare isn't random. Venus likely once had oceans. It may have had mild temperatures, even clouds like Earth's, but something tipped it. A runaway greenhouse effect, likely fueled by volcanic carbon dioxide and solar heating until the balance was shattered and lava became law. So what if Earth followed? It wouldn't just be uninhabitable, it would be unrecognizable. A glowing ember in the void. A world still spinning, but burning from the inside out.